Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Zinal and welcome to my channel Makeover Hub. It is the festive season and here I'm going to show you a full glam Diwali makeup look. You can also try this look on your near one's wedding season. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So I already washed my face and now I'm going to prep my skin with rose water by JOVEES. This works really well as toner to maintain the skin pH level. Next, I am using rosehip facial oil from the brand Good Vibes to hydrate my skin, and I am simply massaging it into my skin. For any long-lasting and flawless makeup, a good skin preparation is a mandatory step. Now I am using my most favorite strobe cream from MAC in the shade Pink Light, and this gives a natural glow and luminosity to the skin. Next, I am using peach color corrector from L.A.GIRL and applying it on my under eyes, around my mouth and nose area to cover my darkness, and I am going to blend it with my beauty blender. Now I am using Wet n Wild photofocus foundation in the shade Gold Beige. This is a buildable medium to full coverage foundation and it is a very good affordable drugstore foundation. Now to conceal my under eyes, I am going to use L.A.GIRL concealer in the shade Pure Beige. I am applying it on my eyelid as well to give a nice base for my eyeshadows, and I am going to blend it with my beauty blender. Now for highlighting, I am using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Neutralizer. I am applying this on my under eyes and T-zone areas to brighten up my face a little more. You can skip this step, but I personally love to do my highlighting and contouring for full glam look. Now I'm going to put some powder to set my entire base, and for that I'm using MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder in the shade NC35. Now for contouring, I'm using Makeup Revolution Contouring and Highlighting HD Powder Palette. I'm mixing the two dark shades and I'm applying it on my cheekbones. Now for nose contouring, I am taking the same shades on my small flat brush and applying it on both the sides of my nose. Just draw a straight line from both the sides and blend it. And connect my contouring with my eyebrows for more enhanced look. Next, I am using IMAGIC Touch Blush Palette and using peach shade on my cheeks to give a perfect festive look. Now we move on to the eyes. I am using this pink shade from the same blush palette I have used. Here I am taking my fluffy crease brush and applying the shade on my crease line. For those who have small eyelids like mine, you can create a fake crease line that's slightly above the natural crease line. It will help you to make your eyes look bigger. Now with my small tapered brush, I am taking the darker shade from the same palette and applying it on the outer and inner corner of my eyes, as here I am creating a halo eye look. Now with my fluffy blending brush, I am going to smoothen up the edges of my crease line and the corner of my eyes and blending the colors very well. Now I am using Huda Beauty Warm Obsession palette and taking this burgundy shade on the same brush, which is slightly darker from the previous color, and I am applying it on the outer and inner corners of my eyes to darken up the corners. You just have to create an outer and inner V shape and slowly building up the colors and blend it until you're happy with the look. This eye look needs a lots of blending. Now I'm taking the brown shade and applying it on the corners and merging it with the crease line. Again, I am taking my fluffy blending brush and blending all the colors very well. You need to be very light-handed with your brush. Now I am taking Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsession palette and taking this warm copper shade on my finger and applying it on the center of my eyelid. Now to intensify the color, I am applying the shimmery shade with the wet brush. Now I am taking the darkest brown shade from the palette and again applying it on the corners. Tap the brush twice or thrice to remove excess product. Now I'm just blending all the colors together to make my both eyes look even. And now we move on to the lower lash line. I'm taking the same shade and applying it on my lower lash line. And I am merging the lower lash line with my outer corner. I am doing the same thing on the other side. Now I'm taking a black eyeshadow from the Huda Beauty Smoke Obsession palette on my small angular brush, and I'm just patting the black eyeshadow very close to my lash line as my eyeliner. But here I'm not using any eyeliner, just applying some black eyeshadow on my lids. You can customize the eyeshadows according to your dress color. You could use any pink, purple, blue or green color, but the technique will remain the same for this halo eye look. Now I'm just coating my lashes with MAYBELLINE mascara. To fill my eyebrows, I am using MILANI brow palette. I am taking some product on my angular brush and filling the gaps with it. This will make a huge difference on your entire makeup. Now I am going to use NYKAA Glow Gatter highlighter palette in the shade Moonshine, and I am highlighting the high point of my face like cheekbones, bridge of the nose, upper lips, chin and forehead. Apply slightly high amount of your highlighter on your upper lips to get a perfect lip shape for your lip liner. As you guys know me, I love to apply highlighter on my brow bone and inner corners of my eyes. Using Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, I'm just quickly locked my entire makeup on its place, and now I'm just quickly dabbing a beauty blender so it will remove the excess product and gives a perfect finish to the look. I have already applied a lip liner, and now I'm using a MILANI Amor Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Love. This is my most favorite nude liquid lipstick. Here I am applying false eyelashes to add some more glam. Now I am just applying a white gel liner from Forever 52 on my waterline to make my eyes look bigger. And that's my final look, guys. Now I'm going to wear a pair of jhumkas and add a bindi for this festival look. I hope you guys like this video, and if you're gonna try this look, then please don't forget to tag me on my Instagram. Also, all the product list and my Insta handle, I have already linked it down below, so just check it out. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up to this video, and also share it with your friends and family. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.